In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 hacking apps for Android devices. These apps can be used for a variety of purposes, including ethical hacking, penetration testing, and just for fun. The first app on our list is AndroRat. AndroRat is a remote administration tool that can be used to control an Android device remotely. It can be used to send SMS messages, take screenshots, record audio and video, and more. AndroRat is a powerful tool that can be used for both good and bad. To use AndroRat, you will need to install it on both the target device and your own device. Once installed, you can use AndroRat to control the target device remotely. AndroRat is not available on the Google App Store. You need to get it from the GitHub. I left the link down in the descriptions. HackerBot is a collection of hacking tools for Android devices. It includes tools for network scanning, port scanning, password cracking, and more. HackerBot is a great tool for ethical hackers and penetration testers. To use HackerBot, you'll need to install it on your Android device. Once installed, you can open HackerBot and select the tool you want to use. HackerBot is not available on the Google App Store. You need to get it from their website. Csploit is a penetration testing framework for Android. It includes tools for network scanning, port scanning, and more. Csploit is a great tool for security professionals who needs to test the security of their networks. To use Csploit, you'll need to install it on your Android device. Once installed, you can open Csploit and select the tool you want to use. Xmod Games is a hacking tool for Android. It can be used to modify game settings such as health, money, and ammo. Xmod Games is a great tool for gamers who wants to get an edge in their favorite games. To use Xmod Games, you'll need to install it on your Android device. Once installed, you can open Xmod Games and select the game you want to hack. Xmod Games is available on the Google App Store. Lucky Patcher is a tool for modifying Android apps. It can be used to remove ads, unlock premium features, and more. Lucky Patcher is a great tool for users who wants to get more out of their Android apps. To use Lucky Patcher, you'll need to install it on your Android device. Once installed, you can open Lucky Patcher and select the app you want to modify. Lucky Patcher is not on the Google App Store. You need to get it from their website. And those are the top 5 hacking apps for Android. Those apps can be used for a variety of purposes, including ethical hacking, penetration testing, and just for fun. Be sure to use these apps responsibly and ethically. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.